Chili Enchiladas. So I hope you enjoy this video. Try this recipe. But first, before we get started, we're going to draw for the $25 Native Soul and Co. gift card. I thank you for subscribing. We're going to be doing more of these, so subscribe. Hit the notification button to keep up with what's going on. So here we go. Danielle Holden has won the Native Soul and Co. gift card. So congratulations to Danielle. Let's get started on this recipe. All right, for the green chili enchiladas, I've got about 1.5 pounds, 2 pounds of ground beef going here. I'm just going to kind of cook it slow. I'm going to add a teaspoon of minced onion, half teaspoon of chili powder, garlic, salt, and cumin, and about a teaspoon of kosher salt. I'm going to let that cook up nice and slow until it gets done. I'm not going to rush it because I don't want crispy chunks of meat. So nice and slow, let it soak up all the seasoning, and we will move on to the next step. So I've got my meat cooked and drained off. I'm fixing to add in a can of rotel, a can of chopped green chilies, 3 cans of cream of mushroom, we get all that mixed in together real good. Then we'll add a whole block of Velveeta. Alright, just going to toss my Velveeta in there. Still keeping my heat on the low. I don't want scorched cheese. And give this a quick stir. Just gonna push it around a little bit and let it begin to melt. When it all gets melted, then we'll start rolling enchiladas. Alright, so I have got it nice and melted down. So I'm going to start rolling my enchiladas. So let's scoot over this way. Alright, so I'm just going to spoon filling onto my tortilla. Roll it over and just repeat until I get them all rolled. So once I've got my pan full, I'm going to take some of the topping and just spread over my enchiladas. Then they will be ready for a 350 degree oven for about 15-20 minutes. You just want them nice and hot because everything is already cooked. So just want to get them warm, or hot, excuse me. So there you have it. Be back when they're done. Alright, there you go. Green chili enchiladas. Fresh from the oven. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Catch you later.